Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I want to thank y'all so very much for deciding to click here on to this here video. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, today with a DIY on the Dollar Tree items, pretty much that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using these. Now someone wrote down in a comment that you could make some Pandora bracelets using those beads, okay? Now, if y'all can remember, I did a haul the other day showing y'all some of the latest things that they had at the Dollar Tree. Some of y'all was saying that, now sometimes y'all, some of the Dollar Tree, sometimes everybody in different states get it at different times. So one of the ladies that I was talking to, Miss Maggie, she said she had gotten the wood beads like a month ago. Now, my store just got it here in February. They just got this, okay? So I just think that it just depends, and I'm hoping that sooner or later everybody store will have these. The thing about this though is that when the Dollar Tree get their stuff in, you know you have to be there, okay? Because it goes quickly. When it's something awesome, it goes very, very quickly. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stop running my mouth, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this here DIY. So basically, here are the items that you will need to achieve the look that I'm going to show you today. First of all, you're going to need either some E6000 or a glue gun. Now I'm going to say this to you. If you are making this for yourself, you can use you will be okay with using the glue gun. Okay? Because if something go wrong with it, you can always fix it and patch it up yourself. But if you make a decision to sell this, use some type of adhesive that is going to bond. Okay, that's going to give your stuff a awesome bond. Okay, so either one, glue. You can use the glue gun or the E6000. The next thing I want to tell y'all is I'm going to be doing this on some leather, bead landing leather cord. I got this from Michael's a long time ago, y'all. This was in my stash, and I just figured that I would use this. This is the size and the measurements. I'm sure that they still have this. This is like, the color of this is like a turquoise. You get 3 yards. Now you're going to need some of the Dollar Tree gems. So like I said, I'm hoping that everybody get these in. So I got 2 of the round ones. I have 2 of, actually I need 4 of these because I'm making a bracelet. So you're going to need 4 flat ones. Okay, 4 of these. You're going to need some a wood one. Okay, because y'all saw when I did it, I showed y'all some wood ones. You're going to need some jump rings, okay, for each end of your bracelet. We're going to be making a bracelet, and you're going to need to either create or make your own connector. This is like a connector, okay? And this is really easy and really simple to make, y'all. No problem at all. You just need a dowel. Just something really, really simple, okay? Excuse me. You're going to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, your scissors, of course, and you're going to need some cord endings. And if y'all can remember, I did a haul on these a few days ago. So I'm going to be using these 2 right here for each end. And now we're just going to go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to suggest to you all, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to size your wrist. So you want to measure your wrist. You want to bring it around. Okay, and you don't want to make it too big. You don't want to make it, you don't want to size it perfectly, because don't forget, you got to add on your bead cords, you got to also add on your connector and all of that. And if it's too, if you measure it perfectly, okay, then when you go to do this, when you go to add everything else on, it's going to be too big, okay? So give yourself some space. So I'm pretty much going to cut mine till about maybe right here. I'm going to make mine about that long. And if I didn't mention it, of course, you know you're going to need your scissors. Now, this bracelet can be made in a matter of a few minutes, okay? So we really don't need these, okay? I made a mistake, an adjustment. Yeah, you really won't need these. The only thing you'll need is your glue gun and your scissors. Okay, I don't know why I said we needed these. All right, so basically what I'm going to do is I am going to put my wood bead on, and I'm going to put that on in the middle. And see, the reason why I did this with this, because it's thick, and once you pull it up, it's not going to move and slide. All right, and then I'm going to add one of these flat beads. Now you might have to wiggle it to get it on. See how stiff that is? Now I'm going to use my pliers so I can just pull that up. Then I'm going to add my round one on. Okay, see? And then I'm going to add another one of these. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and is getting ready for the week. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. And you're going to do the same technique over on the other side. Pull it through. Everything I do, y'all, when it comes to jewelry, I do it with my fingers. All right, and then this very last one right here. And see, this didn't take too much time at all. It was easy and it was simple, but it's different, okay? So once you get this on, the thing that like I said, the thing that I like about this is that it's not going to move. It's on there. Then you just want to take and put some glue down on the inside. Now this may be a little challenge for you. You got to put some glue down on the inside of this. So you want to just, I normally hold it, squeeze it, pull it out, and then I pop my piece right in there. Come on, you got to play with it, wiggle it to get it in there. Okay. Just like that. All right, got that one in. And then we just do the next one the same way for the next side. Give it a little glue. I need to put a little bit more than that. Okay, y'all, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add on our jump rings. So we're going to put our jump rings on. Close it up. Open this. Close that up. And then last but not least, we're going to put on the connector, which is this right here. And you just pop this on, just like that. Come over to the other side. And just like that, and then you have yourself your bracelet. So let's try it on. Put it on just like this. Okay, and there you have it. Now see, this is a little big. That's why I said Now this is a little big. It's comfortable, but it is a little big, and that's why I said make sure that when you make this, that you try not to make it so that it fits, because once you add on these, once you add this stuff here on, you know, that's going to change your fit. It's going to make that bracelet actually a little bit bigger, okay? So this is our bracelet. And if you need to go and see, the thing about it, this is not going anywhere, so it's actually comfortable because it's not going anywhere. But you can also hang something to give it some counterweight so that it won't be doing this on your wrist. You can add a couple of beads or gems down to the bottom on here. Give it a give it a little counterweight. That counterweight is going to make sure that it stay in the center of your wrist. Okay. So here's our bracelet. Something different, something unique. And these are our beads that we got from the Dollar Tree. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank those of you who have decided to click onto this video today. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And if you are new to this here platform, this channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be the first to be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. As always, have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. And until the next one, see ya.